You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need.
Okay, that sweet potato was bad and I still want to starch, so I'm gonna do some corn. We're doing tomato sauce.
Mom, it's yummy.
Yep. We're doing black beans. We're gonna do chili beans. We're gonna do some diced rotel, and we're gonna do some quinoa, but all of this needs to be rinsed, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I'm just gonna put it all in my strainer here and rinse it, and then we will put it in the crock pot.
You found your peace no matter where you are. You will find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dream's been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever want to start all over again? You find happiness out there. You will make it.
Hey everyone, we are headed off to Sam's Club. This is gonna be another... What? This is gonna be another day in the life. Get it all done. It's super cold here. We're loving it. Snow is in the forecast, and we couldn't be happier. So anywho, we're going to Sam's Club to pick up a few items. We have to clean up today. I have to film a few videos. When I get home, I'm gonna do a quick crock pot meal as well, and it's just like a cozy, chill day. And if I say that out loud, it's gonna happen. I know the last video, was pretty serious, but I wanted to keep everyone updated and in the loop. And again, like I said in the comments, it's more about looking for someone that's gone through the experience. And I would never ask medical advice from the internet, but experience is really important to me, and a lot of people have experienced this, and I know they're out there, and I just want to know their experience. I know everything is unique, but I don't know, maybe there's something that I missed. There's no one in my family that has gone through this, so it's just it's me looking for connection, like I said. So we'll see how today goes. We're excited about the snow coming. I'd like to find something at Sam's, just, I don't know, to make those chicks and ducks a little bit more comfortable. I do think they are warm. I don't know, I get worried about the nights when it gets, 5-7 degrees. I know their coats are there for a reason, but okay, we are gonna head off here, and I'll probably see you back at home. I'll show you our little Sam's Club haul, because we're not getting a ton. We just need a few little staple items that we always get there. So yay, come along with us. Hope this is motivating. That's the goal, and let's get going. We just got back from Sam's. Like I said, it was a small little haul, but my husband requested a few things, so I went and grabbed it there. We got these cinnamon rolls with cream cheese icing for him. Wilder has his kazoo, if you can hear that. We got a rotisserie chicken for him. Got the Black Rifle Coffee Company espresso mocha, and we also got some of the extra large brat buns. We got some oat milk, some fig bars for the kids. I've been eyeing this blanket. It was $11.98. So I was happy I got a new one for the couch here to just cozy up on. And I got sushi. It's cucumber avocado sushi. So yes, you can eat that. Bless you. Bless you. While you're pregnant. You can also, it's really just about the raw fish. And I don't typically go for that anyway. So I'm going to chow down on some of this here, get this put away, and then go out and mix that chicken. My goal right now is to just clean this up, and I will show you how I just take all these pots here and what I do with them, because it's really easy. I'm going to keep the pumpkins. The squirrels enjoy them. I know that's silly to some of you, but I think it's cute to watch them in the morning. But you know, the dead mums and everything can go, and then I'm just going to try and sweep up some of the other dirt. So here we go.
We would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way.
So here is what it looks like now. We have some fresh dirt that will go down from the snowpack, but I wanted to plant something new in here. There's lilies that come every year, and I just don't like the color of the lilies. So yeah, I just swept that off, swept the stairs off, and just left that like that. And then over here, I did the same thing, and then I'm gonna come around and I'm probably just gonna recycle those pumpkin things that we made, because honestly, they just got a little stripped, and I wasn't expecting that to happen, but the kids got into it. So yeah, I don't know, it's a blank slate. It will work for winter decor here, but I'm happy. I think it is a lot cleaner, and yeah, we accomplished something today. Hey everyone, and the chili is ready. I'm gonna serve it with pierogis, so I just went and put that in the oven. My Sephora order just came in, and I wanted to show you what I got at the Sephora sale. So I have my two helpers here with me, and a lot of these products are new to me, but they were on a great sale, so I'm just going to show you some of them. Okay, so I'm pretty bummed. I was just looking in my order, and I've looked everywhere in the box, and I got the Lange, I don't know how to say that, but I got the lip repair, overnight repair kit, and it's not in the box, so I don't know, they must have forgot it. So I only have like 3 products here. I got the Ordinary Bright Set. So this comes with cleanser, it comes with the caffeine solution, it comes with the absorbic acid solution, and then it comes with the glycol acid, and that's like a toning solution. So I got that gift box, and that was on sale. And then I got the Tar Amazonian clay. I love this, but I just wanted to get the tester to make sure it's my right shade for winter. It's the medium sand, the 325. And I love this. It's a full coverage foundation, which is not something I'm typically wearing in the summer, but in the winter months, I really enjoy it, especially the Tarte brand, because the Amazonian clay has some moisture in it, so it's very small. I just wanted to see if it would be a good fit for me. And then I've been eyeing up the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, and it's to brighten and depuff. And this is an on-the-go serum. I'm excited about this. I think it will be really helpful, and I'm gonna use it probably once a day. It's recommended. Okay, my battery ran out there for a second, but what I was saying is I'm excited to try this in a new skincare routine. I was just hoping to get that lip mask. That was actually the thing I was most excited for, so we will see. I kind of want to see this. Okay, Del. I kind of want to see this Ordinary skincare. It's actually a really affordable price in general, and then with the Sephora sale they had like a huge discount, which was really helpful, and they did free shipping. I would suggest signing up for the Beauty Insider rewards because it has a lot. Oh yeah, they have some full-size products, and then they have these tinctures. I believe this was under $25, so that is fabulous. But yeah, kind of bummed about that lip set. That's okay though. So I'm gonna get this together, put it away, and then I will meet up with you for dinner. Here is our finished product, our dinner. I just melted some cheese on there, but the chili looks amazing. I ended up adding about a cup more water into this. I will leave the recipe down in the description box, but super delicious. I cut the kids' pierogis up. I'm serving mine with sour cream and just in a bowl like this, and then my husband will have his, but super delicious. I just oven baked my pierogis and flipped them halfway. We had a casualty, that is why the fan is on, but we can eat around that. So this is just the Mrs. T's pierogis. They're super easy. I put some olive oil on the pan, salt and pepper, and they puff up like this, and they're super delicious. Or you could saute them with bell pepper and onion, equally good. So we are going to eat this, and I'm going to clean up this house.
Gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long tried to wash away the dream.